little ones. I'm Harry the bunny. What's that? Hey! That picture looks like a flower. Are there flowers in there? It sounds like shake, 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 shake. Oh, these are seeds. Seeds grow into flowers. Let's plant them. But where do I plant them to make the flowers grow? In our sleeve? No. In our ears? No. I know. Let's plant the seeds in the ground. We can make a hole and plant the seed. Oh, and this is a watering can. Water helps things grow. Let's pour some water. And we wait. Come on, grow. Grow. Nothing. I'm getting sleepy. I feel sleepy. Did the seed grow? It did grow into a beautiful flower. Wow! It has a green stem and pretty petals. And it smells so good. It's a daisy. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.